Climate change. What are the causes? Can we reduce global warming with human activities proven to be the leading factor? What options do countries like Malaysia have, with its energy sector a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions? Are its policies and roadmaps to bring down carbon emissions sufficient? Who are affected, and how do we tell their stories? These were the focal points at the Lensa Iklim workshop organized by Klima recently for members of the media. This was to equip them further in their coverage of climate change and energy transition. Participants were taken through evidence of weather patterns, extreme weather patterns, such as storms, floods, and stories of people losing their properties and being displaced. They also learned about energy transition and how breaking away from fossil fuel energy sources could help with cutting down the carbon footprint. However, this route that looks at solar, wind, hydro, and gas-driven energy has its own set of challenges in Malaysia as well. A key takeaway from Lensa Iklim workshop. While there can be no one single perfect action that will dramatically reduce global warming, as some produce great results, while others are still being studied for their efficacy. But the fact is, so much more can be done, and so many need to understand the reality of climate change.
Implore people to be more inquisitive about climate journalism, climate change news, and to be curious about why everything happens, why it is the way it is, why it is the way it is, and why we need to cover these important topics.